A group of Thais filed a lawsuit against Prayuth Chan Ocha and the National Environment Council over the increase in PM2.5 pollution. The Chiang Mai Provincial Administrative Court has accepted a petition filed by a group of residents against Prime Minister Prayuth Chan Ocha and the National Environment Council over the increase in PM2.5 pollution in the northern province. In their complaint, the plaintiffs blamed the Prime Minister and the agency, as well as the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Thai Capital Market Supervisory Board for the steady increase in PM2.5, small diameter particles, pollution. More than 2.5 micrometers, to 17 provinces in the north of the country, in the past 2 months. The plaintiffs said that the Prime Minister and the relevant agencies were negligent in resolving the issue and they demanded a clean air. PM2.5 levels in those northern provinces have risen above safety levels and posed a serious threat to residents' health. At times, Chiang Mai and other northern cities have the worst PM2.5 levels, making them one of the top 10 cities in the world with high levels of pollen.